Are you planning on buying a home, or maybe you need to refinance one? Well, now just might be the perfect time to get that financing taken care of with a personalized mortgage loan. The professionals at Ideal Home Loan, they're standing by. They're waiting for you to call them right now and let them make that happen for you. And to help you understand the tricky home loan world, Brent Ivinson of Ideal Home Loans is with us this morning. And I said personalized home loan.
Yeah.
What do you mean by personalized?
Well, you know, we have numbers of people who call our office every month, and everybody's situation is different.
Sure.
You know, what you might be trying to accomplish versus what someone else may be trying to accomplish. It's really about what you're trying to do. And believe it or not, we can really make your mortgage work for you rather than just you working to pay a debt. But we've got to have an understanding of what that all-encompassing world looks like. So we're going to ask you a lot of different questions that a lot of lenders haven't asked you before. Our lending advisors are really trying to get your mortgage to work for you.
Okay, I like that idea.
Yeah.
Well, so yesterday we were all kind of wondering, you know, are the Fed's going to raise the mortgage rates? You know, what's going to happen? They didn't, thank goodness. But who should be calling you right now to refinance or look at a brand new loan?
Well, anybody who hasn't taken advantage of rates. So the lowest level we ever saw 30-year fixed mortgages hit was 3.25%, and that was following Brexit, which was about a month and a half ago. Rates
They didn't stay very long.
No,
though,
they didn't.
right?
We saw those rates stay for about 7-8 days. We're at 3.375%. So when you consider in the grand scheme of things, we are still at some of the lowest levels we've ever seen. And you still have over half of homeowners who haven't cashed in. So if you're somebody who is paying in the mid fours or higher, even if you're paying in the low fours, call. Chances are we can put you in a much better situation and save you significantly on your payments.
If you're paying what or higher?
If you're paying in the low fours or higher, call us.
Okay, all right,
sure.
because you can help out.
Yeah.
And we're talking about a savings. We're talking about a significant savings.
Yes.
A monthly savings that could pay so many different other bills right now.
You're looking at very easily $200, $300, $400, $500.
Sure. Now, are you a middleman? Are you a broker?
We're not. We are a direct lender. We are a mortgage banker. So what that means is we're lending our own money. So when we quote you fees, interest rates, timelines, all of those things, we can stand behind those things because they're coming internally from our organization. As you mentioned, we deal with a broker. They're absolutely a middleman, and so they're out shopping on your behalf. You don't have the control. And again, when you layer anybody into a process, they have to get paid. It typically drives up costs. What we find being a direct lender, and the reason we're a direct lender, lower fees, lower interest rates. That translates into lower monthly payments for our clients.
Okay, so somebody has an interest rate right now that's 4 or higher.
Yeah.
They need some help. What should they have in front of them in order for them to make that initial call so they know that you can help them?
You know, really, it's just information you'll know off the top of your head. You may want to grab your mortgage statement and have that handy, but other than that, it's going to be a general conversation of what your short-term and your long-term goals are. How long do you plan on being in your home? What's your situation currently? And in the perfect world, what would you like your situation to be when we were done with this? Because, again, we can truly customize this to work for you rather than you working for your home loan.
Okay, so somebody should be taking advantage of this opportunity. Is it a lengthy process, and is it going to cost them money?
You know, there are costs involved, but here's the biggest misnomer out there. A lot of people think that they're going to have to be in their home for several years for this to make sense. It's actually a handful of months with us. So as long as you're going to be in your home for a handful of months, you're going to be putting real net dollars back in your pocket. And the great thing is, we'll show you that break even up front. We give you everything in writing initially so that you know exactly how long you need to be in your home for this to absolutely make sense.
All right, because you do want it to, you know, be a win-win situation, right? You want to save yourself some money. Here's the special offer Ideal Home Loans hands for you. Really record low rates right now. I don't know if they're really going to get any lower. So you can call now. They'll give you a free consultation. They do that over the phone. Here's the number to call, 602-899-7000. Have your current statement in front of you. It'll save yourself some time. You can also learn more at idealhomeloans.com.